My name is Arian. I'm with ZE PowerGroup. I'm a project manager there. We are specialized in data and analytics, and we're mostly catering to energy industry and financial sector. Our company started about 21 years ago as a consulting firm, and then from that they started a software called ZEMA, and that's basically our data management solution. We're using Applications Manager as the first official product that we're using. We had a lot of tools before, not from ManageEngine, but from like different vendors, third-party vendors, and Applications Manager was the first successful implementation of a third-party tool at an enterprise level for us. We had other tools too, but none of them had the exposure of Applications Manager, because Applications Manager actually manages the performance of our application ZEMA. And we built the software and we perfected it about 4 or 5 years ago, but we never understood how to measure the performance of the software. That was a big dilemma even for our developers. But with the expertise and the tools and the features that Applications Manager offer, we can measure the performance of our data solution platform. Yeah, it's actually quite a funny story when we started using Applications Manager, because we were trying a couple of different third-party tools at the time, and when we had the Applications Manager trial, we had a lot of turbulence on ZEMA's side, and we couldn't understand why there were a lot of performance hiccups. For many of our hosted clients, we used the trial period to diagnose the issue, and then we were able to pinpoint the time and the requests that were causing the performance hiccup. So I was the incident manager that week, and I used Application Manager Trial Edition to diagnose the performance. And we had that presentation across the board with all the directors and the managers, and they were pretty impressed with how accurate we were able to pinpoint the issue. And that pretty much was the basis for buying the Applications Manager. And the next thing was the easy part, just to roll it out, right, to implement it. And that took us actually 6 months to implement. By the industry average, that's pretty good. Yeah, I would Applications Manager to other software companies if they want to know how their application side of things work, because even us as the data solution provider, we didn't have a clear idea of how to measure our performance. Server monitoring is different because everyone somehow is familiar with server monitoring, but when you have an application which is custom made like ours, would be kind of tough to, it would be a completely different expertise to measure the performance of that application. Some companies do have that from the get-go, some companies don't, and that's where Applications Manager can help a lot.